Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you how to enhance our listening power. But before starting the video I want to tell you, please, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share my channel, because your comment is very important for me. So please do the comment and like, because without your supporting I can't do anything. So please do the comment and like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. So as I was saying, how to enhance our listening power, because listening power is very important for speaking English. Okay, without listening I can't do anything. If you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So listening power is very important, because there are two steps for improving English. First one listening and second one speaking. Today in my video I am going to share with you how to enhance our listening power. Okay, listening power is very important. Okay, as I said. Okay, so when you are alone at your home, so that time you watch English video and English song and cartoon channel with the help of headphone, so that your attention will remain. And you can start little sentence as baby step, and after that you start watching long sentence in video. Okay, so I think this way is very important. As as I have a example, when one child starts speaking any language and that child doesn't know any vocabulary, any grammar, but child speak very well, because child observes every person, child watch every person around child, who speak very well child language. So that's how you start listening, and after that you start speaking English. Okay, I think this way is very good for improving English, because first of all you should watch the English video if you want to improve your communication skill. First step for enhance your listening power. Without listening I can't do anything. First of all you start listening, and after that you start speaking English. Okay, so actually we have lots of option for listening, as English video, English channel and English song. Because you start listening, I am not telling, because avoid the Hindi, but a few days. Okay, few days you should avoid the Hindi. Okay, for improving English, watch the English video, watch English song, and because you should not watch the Hindi serial, Hindi song, only listening the English song. Okay, I think this is a good way for improving English according to me, because when I started speaking English, so that times I didn't watch English video, but that times I couldn't understand any English video. But since when I started watching the video in English, and now it's right now I can understand very well. So that's why I am telling to you, please watch the English video, because without listening I can't speak, I can't understand. So listening power is very important. And because that's it in my video, and the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.